Hi friends. Welcome to Mr. Coin Media. For more videos about coins and banknotes, subscribe my channel, and click bell button. Let's go to the video. In this video, we are going to see 1 Rupee Commemorative Coin Details. Country: India. Name: Rainfed Farming FAO. Type of coin: commemorative coin. Year: 1988. Metal composition: copper nickel. Thickness: 1.5 mm. Weight: 6 grams. Diameter: 26 mm. Shape: round. Edge: reeded with a groove. Coin mint: Kolkata, Mumbai. Languages used in the coin: Hindi and English. Amount: 1 rupee. Value: 25 rupees to 50 rupees. Thank you for watching. For more videos about coin and banknotes, subscribe my channel.